that excel farms, ranks of gold asleep, fiery tough like the northern sun. Meat that melts in your mouth, leather that shines pure gold. Don't need to run. These goats are legends, stories told around the fire's glow. With every bite they take you home, where ancient rivers flow. Your Excel farms down south, but the West African.
This is where the grace in the morning stroke afternoon time and in the evening time they are given energy supplement or protein supplement or combination of the two in adequate quantities. This is where the grace. We have super napier grass here and some twigs and leaves in there for them. We planted Tridus procumbens and some other leaves, plants. So, like I said, Excel Farm in Nigeria is work in progress. We are designing this place to be an agrotourist center. That section is where we are going to have our pen, up to that place where we have the tree. That tree up there. Then we bring it down here and cordon it off, make it a quadrangle for the sheep and for the goats. It will serve as a demonstration pen for our mentees, whoever that receive training from us and want to have practical experience. When we finish designing this place, when we finish with the construction of this place, here will be the farm manager house, and where we are going to keep the medicine as well as our kitchen. It is very, very important as we take care of our animals. We too should take care of ourselves. We have our solar camera here. There's another one at the end there. We're still going to get 2 more to ensure that this place is adequately secured.
Unstoppable, they stand in the heart of your farm. They'll make life grand. So whether north or south, meat, milk, or leather's mine, Nigeria's goats got your back. A future so bright. Feed them right, nurture their song, watch your farm sing, where you truly belong.